everybody. I am very late having my greens cocktail this morning, and I'm about to break my fast, but I wanted to do this on a video because I bought myself a new kitchen tool that I've been seeing a lot of people use, and I'm very, very excited about it. But I bought myself a frother. It's battery powered. Got it on Amazon, and I'm very excited to see how this will mix up my cocktail in a glass as opposed to my shaker cup. I have always used the shaker cup with a blender ball, which works fine, but I'm just really excited to try the frother. So first thing I'm going to do, I always make my cocktail. I actually use 5 different ingredients, but I teach people to at least use 3. So first I'm going to do a scoop of the greens. This is 37 phytonutrients. It is power packed for good gut health. It's got 37 phytonutrients. It is loaded with fruits and vegetables, and it's just so stinking good for you. I also put in the digestion gut health, which is 11 digestive enzymes, prebiotics, probiotics, excellent for your gut health. When I'm at home, I just use scissors. So I'm going to dump that in as well. So I have those 2 ingredients. Typically, I teach people to put those 2, mix it up well, and then put a fizz stick in, okay? I actually add 2 extra ingredients, and I'm gonna put those in first before I blend, but I love our cherry lime MindHealth. It is loaded with B12, coenzyme Q10, which is great for mental focus, and for somebody like me who is ADHD and unmedicated, this is very helpful. So I dump that in. And I have one more thing that I dump in. This is the SkinElixir, which is really great for nail, hair, growth. It's a vegan collagen builder, so it's great for your skin, your nail, and your hair. It is an acai berry flavor, so I put that in as well. I actually have a 5-ingredient cocktail, so I'm not going to do the fizz yet, but you can see all the powders in the top. Maybe I should have put the powders in first and then added the water, but we're gonna see. You're guys gonna see me do this for the first time. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, I can tell I'm gonna love this. So it's a lot of powders in there, and you know, I like for them to all be dissolved before I consume. All right. Yep, I'm gonna love this frother. I am using strawberry fizz today. I really love it with pomegranate, but I am currently out of pomegranate. I need to place an order. Strawberry is one of my favorites too. Now I'm gonna put that in, and honestly, I'm almost scared to use my frother. Maybe just a little bit with the fizz. Now I am ready to consume. I do believe my cocktail is ready. Cheers. Yep, I got the green mustache. That was perfect. Everything dissolved. This is my new favorite. I got it on Amazon. I think it was $17. And of course, I had to get Arbonne Greens. Have a great day.